Hello, my name is Mr. Rice and I am the principal here at Lyman High School, and I am excited to invite you to join us at our open house on September 15th at 6 o'clock p.m. This year's open house is going to be through a virtual format, which means that our teachers are going to offer their classroom through the WebEx format, and we will start at 6 o'clock p.m. and as you see on here, the schedule will take you through each of your child's classes by period. We will also do an introduction of our pause period classroom, and each of our teachers will provide you information that you need to know to provide the most support for your child through their education this year. In addition, we will be offering many ways, as you'll see in this email, for you to get connected and stay connected with your child here at Lyman High School. In order to do so, we have a few organizations that we would like to invite you to be a part of so you can get connected with our campus. First organization I'd like to share with you is our Athletic Boosters, and they support our student athletes here on campus, whether it be through our games and our contests that we have, or even working to raise funds. They could always use your support. Our second organization is our School Advisory Council, and this year we are looking for a few members to join the group. Our meeting, the next meeting is going to be on the 22nd of September at 6 o'clock p.m. through WebEx. And the final organization that you can be a part of is our Parent-Teacher-Student organization. And that group is meeting on a monthly basis, and we would love to have your involvement with them as well. We also have a few other avenues that we would love for you to make sure that you are connected through in order to stay up to date with your child's education. Those include our website, which has staff contact information, has information on our clubs, our organizations, and other aspects of our campus to where you and your child can get involved. We also have Skyward Family Access, and that offers you as a parent ways to keep up with your child's education and to monitor their progress on a daily basis. We encourage you, if you are not registered, to please get registered today, and to do so, you can fill out the form that's available on our website and submit it to Ms. Hessler, but you do have to come in person and provide us with an identification. The other avenue is our school messenger system, and this system is unique in that it allows us to send you text messages if there's something that's going on in an emergency situation. To subscribe, you'll see on the screen here, this graphic will tell you more information about how to send a text message and say subscribe within the message section. And the final avenue is our social media pages. We have 3 different social media avenues. We use Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and each of those can be found by clicking the links that are provided in the email that was sent to you today. Hopefully you enjoy our open house and you enjoy getting to know our teachers. We are here to support you, and we encourage you to ask any questions that you may need to help support your child. I hope that you have a great Greyhound Day.